Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay. This is Coloring Bliss, and today we're here to talk about Sharpie because Sharpie has been listening to us. We asked for more colors and we got them! Look at this! A whole new 12-pack of earth tones. Are they really earth tones? Do they make the set even more amazing? These creative markers, which are acrylic pens, I can't wait to talk about them. Let's get this video started. Okay, Rose, let's talk about something that you might notice that is a little new around here, and that is my teeth. I have really bad teeth. Well, I used to have really bad teeth. And for the last 3 weeks, I've been recovering from a major surgery where they removed all of my rotting, terrible teeth, and they have replaced them with this beautiful set of permanent dentures. I love them. It's been a really hard recovery because they had to pull 25 teeth. I was covered in bruises. In fact, if you look really close, you'll see there's still some bruising here and there on my face, but I feel so much better. And now I have healthy teeth in my mouth so that I can have hopefully another 40 years with these teeth in my lifetime. So I'm really excited about them. If you're curious, I had them done by a company called Nuvia. N-U-V-I-A, and they did a spectacular job, and I'm so grateful. Okay, now back to Sharpie. Now, Rose has been dancing on this little case right here. This is where I keep all of my Sharpie Creative Markers. And currently, well, before February 2025, there were only 12 colors available in the Creative Sharpie marker line. But we had them in 2 different nibs. We had the brush tip and the bullet tip. Now I'm going to link a video in the description that will take you to the first time I unboxed these and played with them, and then there's a second video where I did some coloring with them and experimenting with them on black paper. So if you're really interested in acrylic markers, those 2 videos would be really good resources for you to go to and learn all about my previous experience. Now, one of the things I said in those videos is that we needed more colors. Specifically, I was looking for brown because there was no brown, and they didn't have very many like lights. It was just mainly mid-tones is what they gave us. And so I really wanted more colors. I'm sure all of you wanted more colors, and Sharpie was listening, and they came out with this set. Now, the bad thing about this set is it only came out in bullet tip, because the brush tip is my absolute favorite in this kind of marker. But I couldn't help myself. I wanted the new colors because I want that brown. It's going to make my life a lot easier. If you watch that video where I color on black paper, I really struggled because I didn't have a brown. So now we're going to have browns. I'm so excited. So I want to re-swatch all of the original markers, and then I'm going to swatch the new markers. But before I swatch these markers, I want to mark them so that I will know that these are the new set. This is the Earth Tones set. So I grabbed some washi tape. I'm going to unbox this and take a few minutes to hurry and whip some washi tape onto each marker, and then we'll start in with the swatching. While you're watching me unbox and washi tape these new markers, I wanted to mention that Valentine's Day is around the corner, and Steve has been posting brand new Valentine's Day coloring pages for us in the premium library. He's also been posting a couple beautiful, free for a limited time Valentine's coloring pages. So follow the link in the video description and start coloring. For swatching today, I want to see these beautiful markers on 3 types of paper so we can see how they perform. I want to see them on black, white, and tan paper. So I'm going to be swatching in 3 different books, but they're all Swatch Bliss Volume 1. Check out the link in the video description if you need a swatching book. Okay, while you're watching me swatch these markers, let's read from the back of the package to sort of refresh your memory about the Sharpie Creative Markers. First thing they talk about is that there is no prepping or priming needed. Now that means you can take the cap off your marker and start coloring immediately. No shaking, no pumping the tip of the marker. These acrylic pens just start flowing from moment 1. Another great thing about these markers is that they boldly mark on paper, metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. There's a ton of different products you can try these markers on. And they're water and fade resistant, which is even better if you're doing a mixed media project or working on something that might be outside in the elements, like maybe you're coloring on rocks. Okay, the swatching is all done. Now it's time to look at them, and I want to see if the colors they gave us are different from the original 12. Are they really earth tones, or is it just another set of colors? Are they tints? Are they shades? What are these new colors? So let's start by looking at the black swatch page. So the top 2 rows are the original 12 colors. So you can see you got a white, a black, and a gray, and a bunch of really pretty colors. And I've got them in order according to the color wheel, so starting with yellow, orange, red, and so on. Now here are the 2 new colors, the 2 rows of new colors. Again, I organized them according to the color wheel, so I started with yellows and went into the oranges and reds. We've got a couple purples, but they don't look very purpley here on the black. We'll see them on another color here in a minute. And then we've got this new brown right here. So what do you think? Are they earth tones? Do you have a favorite new color? Here they are on white. And you can see how vivid the colors are. They're just such pretty, soothing colors. That's a good word for these colors, soothing. Now the 2 blues, I would say, are pretty close in color. This one has a little bit more violet in it, I would say, or maybe it's more blue. They are slightly different, but they are awfully close. Let's see if there's any other colors that I would say are too close. These are pretty close here, but this one has more orange in it. I love this soft yellow they gave us, so we can do a light to mid-tone yellow blend. And the 2 tan brown type colors are nice. They would work well for skin tones or for wood. I love it. Are these earth tones though? Would you call this set an earth tone set? I don't know. Let's look at them on the tan paper now. Here you can see the differences in the blue a little bit better, I think. And I love, one of the reasons why I knew I needed to buy this new set of colors immediately is because they gave us 2 new purples. And I'm a purple girl, so this gives me more options for blending with the original purple. I love it. But is this an earth tone set? Now I wanted to show you real quick the difference between the bullet nib, which is what the new earth tone set is, and the brush tip. Here's the brush tip marker, and it looks like this and has a really beautiful brush tip on it. Works really good for teeny tiny little details as well as big stripes of color. It's an excellent tool. So that's the original set that you can get in either the bullet nib, and let me show you the bullet nib, or that brush nib. And the bullet nib is just a nice soft foam tip. Works really well. It's not plasticky. It glides across the paper really nicely. I really like it. So hopefully Sharpie plans on releasing this new earth tone set in the brush tips soon, because I will probably buy an additional set in the brush tips. Now I think I read, but I wanted to reiterate that these markers need to be stored horizontally. So I've been storing them in this little canvas case here and just keeping them on their side like this, and that makes it so it's easy to grab and I can just start coloring. So remember to store your Sharpie Creative Markers horizontally. All right, final thoughts about the new set of Sharpie Creative Markers. I really love that we have new colors and we have a brown. I would not have called it the earth tone set. I don't know what I would have called it, to be honest, but it's not earth tones. To me, earth tones would be multiple browns, some deep greens, some sky blues, that kind of colors. But we've got purples and we've got oranges and yellows. Lots of colors that we can use for sure, but I wouldn't have called it an earth tone set. But I love the new colors. This is one of those products that I think is really well priced and a beautiful tool for beginners, intermediate, advanced colorists. All of us can use these markers. Now the new set of markers is on sale for $19.99. The original sets are $17.99. I'm going to put Amazon links to both sets of markers, so if you want to purchase the complete color system and have all of them, you can do so. The link that takes you to the older set of colors has two options. One is the brush tip and one is the bullet tip. So if you want to try the bullet tip or the brush tip, it's up to you. The original colors are only $17.99 for a set of 12. But the new set is only $19.99. That's about $1.67 per marker, which is a pretty good deal for an acrylic marker when you start shopping for them. It blows away a lot of the competition like Posca and Karin. They do a really good job at this price point. So Sharpie, I want to say thank you for listening to us. Thank you for bringing us more colors, but we want more. 24 colors, it's just not going to cut it. We need more. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video today. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you got inspired to try something new. Acrylic markers may be brand new to you, but they are user-friendly and fun. You can check out the other videos I've already done on them to give you some tips and tricks on how to use these markers. I think you're going to love them. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye everyone. Okay, now, do you want to... Oh. She wants a treat.
She just stares right up at it.
I will give you one more treat because it has been 3 weeks for you too since we've been on camera, and you're getting used to it again too, huh? It's hard work being a YouTube dog. Yeah. Oh, you lost it. Okay. Now that you've had your extra treat, do you want to lay down or get down? Get down? Oh, that means she wants more treats. Okay, lay down. Lay down. I gotta unbox these markers. I'm really excited. Yeah, gotta do it.